right, Wolfie came out, did his howl, dropped 4 buzzsaws. So a buzzsaw feature would be good. That's slow. A mansion feature would be good, and an upgrade, of course, would be really good. Go past mini. You're going to stop on upgrade. Upgrade. Very nice. All right. Well, we have 4 buzzsaws down here. 3 of them are lined up. So super buzzsaw and mansion are fantastic. Of course, major and grand wouldn't be that bad. Got a super buzzsaw coming up for me. Go past Mega Hat. Oh, damn it. I mean, curses. I mean, darn it. So, 4 buzzsaws down here. Wasted them going after the super Mega Hat. And the 3 were lined up on 1, 2, 3, so they would have just converted right off the bat. I wasn't counting, so I don't know what's where. There we go, 13 squares. All right, upgrade. Do your duty. It's a re-trigger with 5 hats. 2 of them become houses. So now we hope to start our mansion neighborhood. Doing really well on the straw hats, or the straw huts. We have those everywhere. All right, it's a re-trigger. Built another wood house, waiting to turn into a mansion. As long as it's a re-trigger, it's good. All right, we got a mansion now. So 3 more straw, 1 wood, and 1 mansion. We're into the mansions. All right, let's do that again. That's more wood. Last chance for mansion romance. It is a re-trigger that's gonna get a mansion. Did it look as if those spun by really quickly? To me it did. Hope that means, oh, we have all sorts of hats we need to get rid of right now. We do. Oh, we do. How many mansions do I get? Just 1. But 6 hats. Very nice. Oh, what is that? 7 hats. I heard a Ding Dong Mansion feature down there. Well, 2 more mansions. So what is that? A total of 5, I believe. So there is some hope here. Lots of wood. Could get us the $20 mini. $2-cent machine, all these numbers will be doubled. Even a mini on a house is good. Let's see some coins. No coins there. There's a nice $4.50 down there. It's $9, so that's a good house. Mini times 2. Well, what is that? 211, 233, 234 maybe? I don't know what. Oh. I'm not sure what she was cheering about down there. 233.80. That turned out to be a pretty nice bonus. I'm pretty happy with that. We'll do a few backups. See if old Wolfie can do his howl himself again. That was quite welcome. Not seeing any howlers. Not seeing any buzzsaws. So we'll go ahead and pause this video, come back in with the next bonus. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave comments while we're waiting. And Back into the bonus we are. Old-fashioned hat variety. No buzzsaws, no wolves. 6 hats. Let's re-trigger them up. That's not a re-trigger, it is 2 hats, so. And we upgrade 1 to a house. 2 houses waiting to become mansions. 3 waiting to become mansions. 4, yeah, you get the idea. And no mansions it is. 4 wood houses. Oh, the wolf-tail right next door. Turn in 4 hats to 6 next door. What am I doing here? 2-cent machine. So that's not very much money. Can I get a mini coin on here for $20? And the answer is no. So there you have it, $24, 20 cents added just for fun. We'll do a few backups. Remember to like, subscribe, leave comments. Very nice re-trigger to the right. 2 of them were on mansions. And I don't think we're getting a re-trigger right off the bat. A re-trigger, what am I saying, a bonus? So feed that YouTube algorithm, like, subscribe, leave comments, tell all your friends to like, subscribe, leave comments, make up duplicate accounts. Wolfie next door. I'm gonna hang on a little bit and see what he does. Oh, he gave him a lot of worker pigs. All right, thank you for watching.